Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, SuburbanSill. So today I have a fun plant unboxing as well as a fun plant announcement. It's hard to imagine that it's been almost 2 years since I uploaded my first video, and it was a succulent unboxing. So what better way to commemorate 2 years than to do another fun plant unboxing. This unboxing is a little different because it coincides with my announcement, which is I'm going to start offering plant subscriptions. So if you're into plants like me, as if you're watching this channel, of course you are, you can now sign up to receive a specially curated plant once a month that I will pick myself and send to you. So there's going to be a 1 plant option as well as a 3 plant option. So whatever you got room for, you can do 1 month, 3 months, however, whatever floats your boat. But please check out my subscription options and see if there's one that fits for you, because I would love to share my love for plants with you once a month. Also, with this unboxing, you're going to get a little taste of some of the plants that you might encounter when you sign up for a SuburbanSill.com plant subscription. So let's get to opening this plant box that I got and see what is inside. So these plants have traveled a long way to me from lush Florida. Hopefully they've traveled well. Let's see what we got here. Packed with care, of course. All right, for our first one, we have what looks like Philodendron Congo Rojo. This philodendron is like a upright growing philodendron. It's a cultivar. Oh, I forgot which cultivar it is. I'll post it. I forgot the names. But it's a cultivar cross between 2 different philodendrons, so it's a hybrid, and it grows upright. Good Lord, this is packed really well. So no staking required. This one will grow straight up. Oh my gosh, this is cool. One of my biggest goals with the plant shop is to offer some unique things that maybe you don't see everywhere, like Philodendron Congo Rojo. Look at that. See, and it's getting ready to put out a beautiful red leaf. So typical philodendron care, I feel like with this one, it is a tropical plant. So, you want to keep it warm, bright indirect light, a nice evenly moist soil, and just lots of love. I love that. That was a good one. All right. Next, we have a classic favorite here. Calathea ornata. So this is a humidity-loving plant with beautiful pink and green leaves. It likes an evenly moist soil, and you'll want to use a soil that I think holds moisture. I can't believe how well this traveled. Yeah, this pot's real moist, see the water. So you want to keep these a little bit more moist. They do like added humidity. It's funny, a little tidbit. When I go to our zoo, our local zoo here, you'll see a lot of Calathea ornata inside some like amphibian habitats and things like that, which I think is kind of cool, kind of interesting, because they do love that humidity. But look at how gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Anything with pink, I'm a sucker for it. Okay, last one. So I love Sansevieria. Love Sansevieria. I have a giant one in my kitchen. If you've seen some of my propagation videos, I have one that I propagated. I've been growing for a few years. I have a whale fin Sansevieria that I love, that I think I got it during quarantine. It put out a nice big leaf just recently. They're just such low maintenance, and you know, you'll see some common ones, and I feel like this one is just a little less common. So whenever I see anything that's less common, I gotta have it. Sansevieria Moonshine. Oh, comes with its own giant Floridian type bug. I don't know what that is. Well, can't believe that one made the trip. Okay. Let's see here. So these, you know, nice fast draining soil. I like to use succulent mix. Oh, it's a little guy. How cool. Yep, this one will need to be repotted. It's a little loose in its nursery pot there. But how cool is that? So like a typical Sansevieria that's like dark green, this one is a lot lighter. It's kind of like a grayish, the leaves are, which is kind of unique and kind of cool. Thanks for checking out this plant unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed what you saw. Maybe you were inspired by some unique varieties. I know I'm excited to get these planted up in their new forever home. I was really happy with how they shipped. I mean, look at this Calathea, look at these leaves. They are gorgeous. And this is just one example of what you might find in the SuburbanSill monthly subscription box. So go ahead, check out my website, SuburbanSill.com. Under the shop tab, look at the subscriptions. Thanks for sticking by me these past 2 years. I look forward to sharing my love of plants with you through this channel, through SuburbanSill.com, and through monthly subscriptions going forward. So thanks again, and I will see you next time.